Bad lever trim. Must be a bad lever trim. Okay. Let's take it apart, take the cover off, take a look at there. You know the routine, open it up, take a look, see what's going on. I knew I worked on these words before. It is in the unlocked position, and when it's in the unlocked position, and it goes bad because it's the Vandal Guard trim. When they get jammed on, try to pry it open, whatever, these rivets will pop loose and it expands out, which then makes it almost impossible. You can't lock it. Oh, this one locks. Usually this comes up so high, you can't lock it.
Man.
Go away.
I'm here to...
So I'm here for this.
Band room one?
What's wrong with that? I already did that. Lock the door that your keys work.
The one that, yeah.
150D. We did that last week. I'm like, you in there and locked it. I went, what's going on here?
All right, man. How you doing?
Yeah. So today and then 2 days of doctors and then Friday to work.
You still working, brother?
Until June.
Oh, June. I'm the following February.
And then they called me today, well, a bunch of us. You got to get fingerprinted again by July 1st. My last day is June 31st.
I know you're not, but
That makes it easy. If you don't use the back plate, you use this, it falls right out. Oh, parts just fell. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah. The rivets are there. Spring broke. Seams. This screw's loose. You do enough of this, it's always the springs that drive you nuts. So it must have broke and got jammed in there. But there's more of it. Here's some more of it. I think I got one. I can shove in there. Uh-oh, where's that part at? Where's that at? Found it. No. If I probably have a spring. Take a look. Well, I probably have some springs back in the shop, but let's just change it. Why not?
Me lo va a poner yo.
It's the stairwell.
Okay, this one doesn't rattle around as much. We have it, let's place it. Oh, we have little tabs there that go into the little notches there. And these are reversible. You just take everything off, pick the handle off, turn it around, and it goes the other way. Let's take this stupid thing out. Not needed. Here comes the fun part. Gotta hold that. Slide the device on. Line the tailpiece up. Yeah, getting good at this. Remember, leave them loose until you get them all in. Less chance of cross-threading. We have one more screw over here. Did I take 3 or 4 out? Ah, there it is. Voila. Remember, never miss a chance. Okay, so it's all lubed up, ready to go. Okay. Okay, done. What would you charge to do that? These things used to be about $170. They're over $250 now, I believe. And that's a bid price. Nice, another job well done. Notice there's square holes. These are wire one, that's precision. Whereas by the time you turn it over, it becomes Von Duprin. Let's see why has that been rubbing so hard? Let's take it all apart and see what happened here. Ah, look, it's the bearing that goes there, and it was already off. And look, it's been grinding on the casing. So, okay, this is on the way to failure. So I think if you want to reverse the handle, take everything off, knock the clip out, and pull the clip off, pull the handle out. This will come off too, but you don't need to. Just pull the handle off. Got a little plastic bush in there. And go from that way. Put it back on, slide the clip back in, and now the handle's on the other side, so it's a left-hand reverse door. Okay, Well, that's what the inside looks like.